We are in beautiful Sooke, BC, and I've got an investment opportunity you do not want to miss. I'm Shane Sear with EXP Realty. Go check this out. This well-updated home offers 3 self-contained units, making it the perfect investment opportunity. We are located in the Sooke Town Center, as identified in the official community plan, with support for a townhouse development with over ½ acre of land. For more information and to make this home yours, visit 6682horne.com or call me directly at 250-893-9164.